Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to change your name in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now you can click on edit profile. Now here you can see name, so click on it. Now you can change the name to whatever you want. Now click on save option. Now click on confirm, and here it says that you can change your nickname only once every 7 days. So click on confirm. So your name is changed. So this is how you can change your name in TikTok. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.